Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will show you how to tag someone in a post on Instagram or maybe a video. Alright, tap on the plus icon in the bottom and from here we want to create a post. I want to post my pedal racket on my Instagram, so I tap on my pedal racket and then do next. From here there's nothing important to know, so we tap next again. And here we see the option to tag people. Then tap on tag people, and then if you want to tag someone, we just have to tap on the photo, and now we can tag someone that we want. Justin Bieber again, for example. Then do done. And now if you can see, Justin Bieber got tagged, and if you do share or photo got posted, and left in the bottom you see that Justin Bieber got tagged. This is how it works, and if you find this helpful, please smash a like. Thanks for watching.